Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here doing something a little different. This product is Asahom. It's like the Govee Pros. It does come with a 100-foot kit, a 150 kit, and a 200-foot kit. With this product, we're using Geek Genius 3D mounts, local seller in San Antonio. Provided these, and we're using that on this install. So this is how we're doing the install. 2 inches off the wall. They do work like Govees with that cone effect. So here it is. We're doing this corner here, right in that area, and then that's where the power supply will be entering to the attic, and then we're gonna run this way. The thing with the Govee Pro-200, it has a module driver, and so does this one. It also has a module driver, but this one here is a branch split. So you have your input and your output, and then your branch split. And you can control these individually, not like Govee. If you were to splice, they would mirror each other. So here we are. It's coming along. We got the top done and ran. So that's gonna be 200 feet. We also got the peaks up there as well. And like I said, we're using 3D mounts for the peaks and for the soffit area, all from Geek Genius Collective. And let's take you up here and show you how we're mounting these. So a closer look up here, we have a splice there. We're going to be running from the peaks over to this area, but this is how it looks. Where we're returning, we're using a cable clamp, and I assume eventually I can find someone that could fabricate a track so we can install with a track. But for now, these 3D mounts are purchased and do not come with the kit. It does come with a tab on the side, and I'll show you that in a minute. Here's that tab I was referring to. You could probably use a screw there instead of the 3D mounts. 3M adhesive in the back. Just pull on that little tab. And here's one of our helpers installing. We're putting a cable clamp at the corner. And again, what we're usually doing is using hex screws. Screw them, give it a little tension, and that puts the line a little tight so that way it doesn't sag over time. So what he's doing here is putting a clamp, not screwing it all the way, so we can take our turn. And we're using a 2x2 cube there. Taking a closer look, as you can see on the side where the wire is at, it has a snap into place to keep the mount from falling while installing. So he's got the cable clamp tight here, the one screw tighten here. So all we're gonna do is just give it a little push there, and that would tighten up that line just a bit and keep the mount straight. The 3D mounts have a UV resistant on it. So this would be probably the best method to use to secure your lights. That way you're not using one screw and having to go every 4 lights, since that's what the amount of clips is provided in the kit. Let's go ahead and stop here, and then we're gonna go and show how the install looks afterwards with the lights on. Alright guys, so this is the completion of the home of Asahom 200-foot kit with a splitter. Yes, these are brighter than Govee by 50 lumens more, So everything is 2 inches off the wall, and it comes down the side here. So amazing view with the flag waving. Comes down the side here. So 100 lumens on this kit, a 200-foot install. And again, it is installed with the mounts. So all of this has mounts installed, a little bright. So comes around and wraps around the side here. And again, the splitter is right over in that corner. And we do have some lights up on top on the peak. All right, this is our third install for Asahom. This is our largest one. If you like what you see, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of the next content.